Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, where we expose online scams and help you shop safely. Today's video is about Choimix, a website that claims to sell cleaning devices, smart tools, and trending household gadgets at very attractive prices. But the big question is Choimix legit, or is it another risky website you should avoid? Let's break it down. On the website, you'll see electric cleaning brushes, cordless scrubbers, multi-purpose tools, and other viral gadgets, all with huge discounts and limited stock warnings. This is a common tactic used to rush buyers into making quick decisions. Next, let's look at website transparency. When we check important pages like About Us, contact details, and company information, the details are either very limited or unclear. There is no clear company background, and in many cases, the contact email looks generic rather than professional. Now let's talk about product images and descriptions. Several product photos appear to be stock images that can be found on multiple websites. Descriptions are often vague, with big promises, but no technical details, certifications, or real demonstrations. That's a red flag, especially for electronic cleaning devices. What about customer reviews? On the Choimix website itself, you may see only positive reviews, but when searching outside the site, there are very few genuine customer experiences available. A lack of independent reviews usually means the website is either new or trying to hide negative feedback. Another important point is pricing. The deals look almost too good to be true, and usually, when prices are unrealistically low, it often leads to poor quality products, delayed shipping, or items that never arrive. So, is Choimix legit or a scam? Based on our research, limited company information, stock images, lack of real customer reviews, heavy discount pressure, Choimix appears to be a high-risk website. We do not recommend purchasing expensive gadgets from this site until it builds real trust and verified customer feedback. If you're still considering buying, use cash on delivery if available, avoid prepaid orders, and never share sensitive information. That's it for today's review. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor to stay protected from online fraud. Comment below if you've had any experience with Choimix, good or bad. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online. Thank you.